In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved places in the Uber app, whether you're tidying up your saved locations or removing places you no longer visit. I'll guide you through each step so you can manage your saved places with ease. First, make sure you have the Uber app open on your mobile device. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the app and locate the pickup location option. You can find this at the bottom of the screen once you open the app. You'll need to tap on this to access your saved places. Once you're in the pickup location section, look for an option labeled Saved Places. This is typically displayed prominently, ensuring easy access. Click on Saved Places, and you'll be directed to a list of locations you've previously saved in the app for quick access during ride requests. Now, to make changes, you'll want to enter the editing mode. Look for the Edit button, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Edit, and you'll see your saved places with more options available for each one. Next, to delete a saved place, simply find the saved location you'd like to remove. Once you've found it, look for the Delete button on or near that specific location. Tap on Delete, and a confirmation pop-up will appear to ensure you want to remove this place permanently from your list. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, the place will be removed from your saved locations. Now that you've mastered deleting saved places on Uber, let's briefly switch over to Uber Eats. If you're looking to make changes or need help within the Uber Eats app, here's a quick guide to help you navigate. Go ahead and open Uber Eats and tap on Help located at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up several assistance options for you. If you need to update your account settings or perhaps troubleshoot further, click on Account under Help to access your profile settings. To get into specific account details, tap on Account Settings, and from here, you'll have the option to manage various aspects of your Uber Eats account. For business profiles that need to be deleted, you'll find a Delete My Business Profile option available. Just follow the prompts to remove this information if it's no longer needed. And there you have it. You've learned how to efficiently manage your saved places in Uber and even got some extra tips on handling your Uber Eats account. Remember, keeping your saved places organized not only helps you, but also ensures smoother rides when you use Uber. Thanks for joining in today, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.